Using these magnifying glasses right here, you can zoom in or zoom out on your timeline to either see very close to make a transition or to see very far away and to see your whole project. When you go to the corners over here, what you can see is the red line and the green line. The red line is the left-hand side, and the green line is the right-hand side. So I went to my screencast file, and I held down the left mouse clicker, and I dragged it to the right. This creates what's known as a crossfade clip. A crossfade is when you take the edges of two different clips and you blend them together. So if you have a big increase in audio from the end of one clip to the beginning of another clip, what you can do is sort of blend them together so that the transition of the audio is a little bit more smooth. This is a crossfade. One thing to mention is that I cannot create a crossfade by dragging from my original downloaded clip. Because to create a crossfade, you have to extend one clip just a little bit in order to create that blending zone. And because I inserted the full clip right here, I cannot extend it any further. The clip is at its full length. So instead, I will extend my screencast clip just a little bit, and that will help me create a blending zone for the crossfade to happen. Okay, let's go back and listen to a figurative expression. So I go to the left-hand side of the clip because that's the right. No, the left-hand side of the clip is the red, and I drag it to the right. Sometimes you have to do a little bit of force. You have to drag it a little bit forcefully in order for the crossfade to catch. And I have a crossfade.